Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into an important topic that often comes up when a company or individual faces financial trouble: preferential creditors. Understanding this concept is crucial for anyone involved in business, finance, or just curious about how debts are handled when there isn't enough money to go around. So, what exactly are preferential creditors? First, let's quickly define a creditor. A creditor is simply someone owed money. When a business or a person becomes insolvent, meaning they can't pay their debts, the process begins to distribute whatever assets are left. The big problem here is usually that there isn't enough money to pay everyone back fully. This is where the concept of a pecking order or priority comes into play, and preferential creditors sit higher up in that order. A preferential creditor is a specific type of creditor who, by law, gets paid before most other unsecured creditors during an insolvency or bankruptcy proceeding. Think of it like a queue where certain people are allowed to jump closer to the front because their claim is considered more important or socially significant. The reason for this legal preference is often rooted in public policy or to protect vulnerable groups. For instance, employees are frequently designated as preferential creditors. This means their unpaid wages, holiday pay, and certain pension contributions, up to a specified limit, will be paid out from the remaining assets before general creditors, like suppliers or lenders without specific security over assets, get anything. This protection ensures that individuals who relied on their income for daily living aren't left entirely without recourse when their employer collapses. It's important to distinguish them from secured creditors. Secured creditors, who have a charge over specific assets, like a bank holding a mortgage on a property, typically get paid first from the sale of those specific assets. Preferential creditors usually slot in after these fixed-charge secured creditors but before floating-charge secured creditors and all other unsecured creditors. The exact categories and limits for preferential creditors can vary significantly depending on the country and its specific laws, but the general principle of giving certain claims a higher priority remains consistent. So, in essence, when a company goes bust, if you are a preferential creditor, you have a better chance of recovering at least some of the money you are owed compared to many others. This system aims to balance fairness and social responsibility during difficult financial times. Thank you so much for watching and learning about preferential creditors today. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful. If you found this video informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with anyone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to support the channel for more content like this. Your support helps us create more valuable videos. We'll see you in the next one.